White's challenge here is to live. So it's an interesting pattern. Takes a little bit of calculation. So the ice space itself is just a little too small, right? If you try something like this, then this is not enough, right? Even if number 3 is elsewhere, this is not enough. Similarly, if you try something like this, right, this is also not enough. And the tricky part is that this stone right here, right, there's a cutting point here. But now, in this pattern, if white cuts here, this is a fake eye, right? That's precisely the problem. So the challenge really is to how to turn this cut into something useful. And that's not easy, right? So if you try this, doesn't work. We just saw this similarly also doesn't work, right? Because black can push here and is not afraid of being captured because this is going to be a fake eye. And similarly, this doesn't work. What about this? This also doesn't work, right? White can't even cut here and will only have one real eye. So what else should we try, right? This diagonal move, here or here, are good moves to try. Right? Here seems like the wrong direction because black can still just push. And this way, white will still be dead. This is pretty easy for black to kill after number 1, actually. So the correct move is this diagonal move. It's not that easy to see the relationship between this and this cut. But the thing is, it actually works, right? Because if black just destroys white's eye here with number 2, white can play this. And if black comes in, now after number 5, black cannot connect because this is capturing 3 stones and this guarantees 1 real eye. And this way, white will be able to live. That's why number 2 doesn't work. If black pushes, again, doesn't work because black cannot come in because of this cut. This way, once again, white will be able to make 2 real eyes. Black's strongest move is right here, actually. It's not very intuitive. White must cut it off. Otherwise, black will kill white very easily. So white must cut it off. And now what black does is play on the outside. What should white do now? Right? If you are not careful, if you play at number 5 here, once again, cutting the stone doesn't work. White is still dead. That's why white needs to play this first. After this exchange, black must come in like this, and white increases eye space, and after number 11, this is a seki, or mutual life shape, and white succeeds this way. Even though white only has 1 point, by capturing this stone, white is perfectly alive. And this is the correct sequence. So overall, not a super difficult problem, but it gets really tricky, right? It takes a lot of tries to find this correct first move. So I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.